And before we get into the forecast here, a quick look at our kind of regional airports, which actually reveals good news. We've had some cancellations across the state today, but no major delays at this point. And actually, things at Meadows Field have run very smoothly today, which is good news. I didn't notice any significant delays or cancellations at Meadows Field. Hopefully that trend continues. Certainly no weather-related impacts over the next 24 hours. Kind of more of the same. Some clearing skies into tomorrow afternoon, but overall 60s and 70s across the county. Dry conditions. But that is not going to last all that much longer. Monitoring a couple different rain chances, actually several different rain chances in the forecast. Let's get into the weather pattern and start talking about that. Thursday evening, we're going to start to see some moisture pulled into the state of California ahead of this area of low pressure. That's our first chance of rain. That's pretty much a sure thing at this time. But then we have to watch that low pressure system. Depending on the track of that low, we have additional rain chances into the weekend. If it were to play out as it's shown here, we're likely to see rain this weekend as well. There are some signs that it could dip to the south, which would bring that rain outside of Kern County. But definite rain chances this weekend. We're going to focus on here the Thursday and Friday rain chances, though. Let's get into it. Tomorrow night, already rain starting up into Northern California. By the time we get to Thursday, we're going to see that rain likely arriving here in Kern County. I do think most of the rain for us, though, will be Thursday evening and Thursday night, as this model shows. The heavier rain really arriving behind that cold front as we head into the after sunset hours. Could definitely still see some rain during the day on Thursday, but I do think most of it will be in the overnight. Lingering activity into Friday as well. Showers and even some thunderstorms possible. And again, as I mentioned, depending on the track of that low pressure system, we could see additional rain again Saturday and Sunday. And there's another system, a separate system, that could give us additional rain into early next week. This is going to be a very active weather pattern. Here's a quick early estimate at some of those rain totals. I do think, at least here in the valley, this is probably a little bit on the high side. But the takeaway here is we are looking at a good soaking rain for pretty much all of Kern County. I think everyone gets rain out of this. We also have the potential for some heavy snow above 6,000 feet. So fortunately, that won't have a huge impact on Kern County. If you do live above 6,000 feet, you're likely looking at some significant accumulating snow. Let's get into the forecast here. Let me jump back to the valley here, because we are looking at, again, a big change, not only with the rain, but a big cool down too. That low pressure system is really going to cool us down. 60% chance of rain by Thursday. It jumps up to closer to about 100% by Thursday night. Lingering showers into Friday, and highs by Friday, Saturday, Sunday in the 50s and 60s. That massive cool down alongside the rain chances. And as you can see, we are keeping at least some chance of rain in for the weekend and early next week, and we very well may need to bump those rain chances up. 7-day forecast here for the rest of Kern County. Again, we see that same trend. The rain chances increasing through the forecast, the temperatures decreasing. A very active weather pattern for the next 7 days. We'll be right back.